Are you tired of paying hundreds every single year for hosting, funnels, autoresponders, and marketing tools? Well, what if I told you there's now one powerful platform that replaces them all at a tiny one-time price? Stick around because today I'm reviewing InfiniteSuite, and this could be the last tool you'll ever need for your online business. My honest verdict? InfiniteSuite is a complete game changer for beginners and marketers on a budget. Instead of juggling multiple subscriptions, you get hosting, website building, funnels, traffic tools, and even email marketing all inside one dashboard. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution, this is worth every penny. So what exactly is InfiniteSuite? It's a cloud-based platform that gives you everything you need to launch and grow an online business. You can build websites, create funnels, manage emails, clone sites, automate traffic, and even sell digital products without paying for expensive hosting or third-party apps. It's designed for beginners who want a simple setup, freelancers who want to save money, and even advanced marketers who want an affordable backup system. And the best part? No tech skills needed. You just log in, click a few buttons, and you're ready to go. Here's a quick look inside the InfiniteSuite dashboard. On the left, you'll see all the tools: hosting, page builder, autoresponder, and traffic automation. You can create a website in just a few clicks using pre-built templates. The funnel builder is drag and drop simple, no coding required. Email campaigns are easy to set up, and you can connect them to your funnels instantly. There's even a web cloner feature, which lets you duplicate any website design in seconds. So, instead of managing 5 different logins, everything is neatly integrated in one place. Now, InfiniteSuite works perfectly right out of the box.
Hi guys, I welcome you all. Thanks for choosing InfiniteSuite. In this video, I'll guide you with a simple walkthrough demo of the InfiniteSuite software. The world's first 4-in-1 hosting solution with cutting-edge Intel Xeon CPU technology, offering unlimited web hosting, cloud storage, high-speed video hosting, and funnel creation. Enjoy lifetime access without monthly fees. You'll be able to see this dashboard after your successful login. In this you'll have easy access to each feature of this software like web hosting, DNS, mail, database, CRON and the backups. To add your domain, just click the Add Web Domain option and enter your domain details and save it. The domain will be added now. To get the SSL for your domain, just click the pencil icon to get into this window and provide all the necessary details for it. Finally, choose the Enable SSL for this domain and other below 2 checklist options to set up SSL for your domain. Also, you are able to install apps like WordPress, Dalabar, etc. Just click Setup button below the app. It will install it within a minute. After following these steps, your domain will get the SSL and the WordPress app in it. Likewise, you can set up DNS, mail, DB, CRON for your domain. All your backups will be shown here. This notification icon will help you to get notified about any important things and issues or updates of your added domain. And the file manager will give you the access to view all your files in the directory.
In this, you are able to create, edit, and manage sites using this app. After login, this will be your dashboard. In this page, you'll see lists of sites you did previously. If you want to create a new site, click the New Site option at the top, and it will let you choose the site template you want for your site. You'll have many popular site templates to choose. Just select any site template you need and enter your site name, and then hit the Create button to create your site. Within a fraction of seconds, it will open the site editor page. In this page, you'll have all types of tools and things to edit your page, and page details like layout, buttons, forms tags, etc. You'll have full, complete access to the editing tools you need for site creation. Or Or you can build the site with a blank page to build it from scratch. When you click on the Project tab, it will open the dashboard where you can find all the sites you recently created or in process of easy access to it.
Then, the Profile section will give you the access to change your account details like contact name, password, enable two-factor authentication, etc. I think I've covered all the topics inside the app in this walkthrough demo. If you have any queries or doubts beyond this, feel free to reach out to our support team anytime. Thank you.
But there are some optional upgrades you may want to check out. Unlimited Silver and Platinum. Unlock unlimited websites, funnels, and advanced performance features. DFY Email Pack. Get pre-written emails that you can plug into your campaigns instantly. Agency License. Start your own hosting and funnel building agency with client accounts. Traffic Automation and Web Cloner. Automate traffic and duplicate websites for speed. DFY Templates and Niche Sites. Ready-made templates and profit-ready niche sites. Reseller Rights. Sell InfiniteSuite as your own and keep the profits. Each upgrade is optional, but designed to save you time or scale your business faster. Now, here's the best part. When you grab InfiniteSuite through the link below, you're also getting my exclusive bonus stack worth thousands. WP Slideshow Master. Create engaging, shareable slideshows in minutes. WP Swift Page Plugin. Instantly speed up your site for better rankings. Lead Book Generator. Connect Facebook leads to your autoresponder. WP Email Timer Plus. Add scarcity timers to emails and landing pages. Conversion Equalizer. Boost your ad conversions automatically. Sales Page Recycler. Reuse sales pages without rebuilding them. Action Poll. Segment your audience with interactive polls. 100 ready-made niche blogs. Done-for-you content sites to kickstart traffic. Pin Marketer. Automate Pinterest campaigns for free viral traffic. Soci Buzzinar. Turn visitors into social shares with live share graphs. And that's just the beginning. There are over 40 more bonuses waiting inside once you secure InfiniteSuite today. Remember, these bonuses are only available through the link below this video, and they disappear after 48 hours or once the bonus cap is hit. So, here's my final verdict. If you're serious about building an online business without wasting money on overpriced tools, InfiniteSuite is a no-brainer. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and packed with value. But don't wait too long. The one-time pricing and my bonus package are only available for a very limited time. Once the timer hits 0, the bonuses are gone for good. So go ahead, click the first link in the description, grab InfiniteSuite now, and I'll send you all the bonuses instantly. Thanks for watching this review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit like, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe for more honest reviews and tutorials. All the details, pricing, and bonuses are in the description. Just click the link, grab InfiniteSuite, and check your inbox for your exclusive bonus delivery. See you in the next video.